Hey everybody, it's Katie with Picture Perfect Lawn Maintenance. I've got a big favor to ask of you if you are a Picture Perfect client. So as you know, we're trying to grow in your area. RVA is an area that has a lot of growth coming to it, new neighbors, new people moving in, and we want to make sure that they're able to experience the Picture Perfect services that we are offering to you and your neighbors already. In order to build density in your area and as a result be more present in your neighborhood and able to put eyes on your yard more often, which is a great thing for you, we need your help to put the word out to everybody that you talk to that might be interested in our services to make sure that they know that Picture Perfect is happy to accept their business and make sure that they establish a Picture Perfect loan as well. It's very easy how you can help us with this. All you have to do, if you have the time, is go onto your neighborhood HOA Facebook page and leave a comment on somebody asking about lawn care service, or start a post of your own just letting them know that you recommend our services. If you're a Picture Perfect client, I'm hoping that you're having a good enough experience that you are willing to share that news with everybody. And if for some reason you're not quite happy with your lawn right now, we want you to let us know so that we can make it right and make it better to make sure that you're getting the experience that we guarantee. If you're not up for going onto that Facebook page, or if you're not for some reason a member of your neighborhood HOA Facebook page, you can still leave us a review. If not on Facebook, then on Google. Those Google reviews are a huge thing for any business right now because they seriously impact the ability of a company to be visible on Google at all if somebody is searching for lawn care services or anything else. For every comment, review, post that you make, we are going to enter you into a sweepstakes for your effort in helping us spread the word about Picture Perfect. Obviously, we already have a $50 referral credit program where for everybody that you send our way who signs up for service and remembers to mention your name, we apply a $50 credit to your account. For a lot of people on programs, this is great because that pays a large part of your monthly rate. So it's a really good thing to take advantage of. There's no cap on it. It's just a gesture from us to show that we appreciate the time you took and the positive press that you're spreading and the fact that you're happy with your Picture Perfect results. So on top of that, now we are introducing a second program where once a quarter, so at the end of March this month, we'll be doing our first drawing. We will put your name once a month into a drawing for 3 different potential things. First, if you comment on a post on a forum or Facebook or anywhere else where somebody's asking for recommendations and you take a little screenshot or a snip of it and send it to us, we'll put your name in the hat. If you leave us a review, a good review on Google, Facebook, anywhere else, and take a screenshot of it, or we get a notification, we'll put your name in the hat. And then third, if you create your own post on your neighborhood Facebook HOA page or on your neighborhood forum, just saying, hey, it's lawn care season, it's spring, anybody who's interested, this is the company I use and they've done great work for me so far, take a screenshot of that and we'll put your name in twice because that really does make a difference. So not bad, right? Pretty easy. I'm hoping so because it's going to make a huge difference for us and it should only take a couple minutes of your time. Don't forget to send it to me or else I'm not going to necessarily know about it since a lot of those groups are private. If you leave a review, we usually get a notification, so we'll enter it that way. But if you make a comment or a post, be sure to let me know because it's something that we're really grateful for. So you might be wondering, what's in it for me? That's a fair question. I totally understand. There's some great stuff. Every quarter that we're doing that drawing, we've got a $25 Visa gift card in the mix, possibly other gift cards. We've got a ton of Picture Perfect swag. So t-shirts, hats, frisbees, pens, magnets, bumper stickers, pretty much anything that you could want. We're going to be drawing multiple names, leaving this stuff for you at your next service visit. So be sure to let me know if you have any interest, any questions. And like I said, we really appreciate this from you guys. We appreciate that you're having a good experience. And again, if for some reason you're not, please let us know. The sooner you let us know, the sooner we can do something to change that experience that you're having and make sure that your lawn is where you want it to be. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your help. And I really hope that you have a Picture Perfect day.